Welcome to Everyday Korean, Work Life, a series where you'll learn the Korean expressions people use in everyday workplace conversations. These are the kinds of expressions you'll hear when starting a new job, talking with coworkers, attending meetings, and navigating everyday life at work. Today, we're looking at some of the most common expressions you'll hear on your first day at a new job. From arriving at work and greeting your coworkers, to introducing yourself, learning your responsibilities, and asking for help, these are situations many people experience when starting a new job. We'll begin by learning the key vocabulary in their dictionary forms. Then we'll practice using the words in useful, polite expressions before taking a closer look at how they're naturally used in Korean workplaces. Finally, we'll put everything together in a realistic first day at work conversation. Let's get started. 출근하다, 인사하다, 소개하다, 설명하다, 배우다, 도와주다. To go to work. 출근하다. 출근하다. To greet. 인사하다. 인사하다. To introduce. 소개하다. 소개하다. To explain. 설명하다. 설명하다. To learn. 배우다. 배우다. To help. 도와주다. 도와주다. Great job! Now, let's put these words into the polite yo form. 오늘 처음 출근해요. 먼저 동료들에게 인사해요. 제 소개를 하겠습니다. 업무를 설명해 드릴게요. 오늘부터 하나씩 배우겠습니다. 모르는 게 있으면 도와드릴게요. 안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다. 잘 모르겠어요. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. It's my first day at work today. 오늘 처음 출근해요. 오늘 처음 출근해요. First, say hello to your coworkers. 먼저 동료들에게 인사해요. 먼저 동료들에게 인사해요. I'll introduce myself. 제 소개를 하겠습니다. 제 소개를 하겠습니다. I'll explain the work to you. 업무를 설명해 드릴게요. 업무를 설명해 드릴게요. Starting today, we'll learn them one by one. 오늘부터 하나씩 배우겠습니다. 오늘부터 하나씩 배우겠습니다. If there's something you don't know, I'll help you. 모르는 게 있으면 도와드릴게요. 모르는 게 있으면 도와드릴게요. Hello, I look forward to working with you. 안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다. 안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다. I'm not sure. 잘 모르겠어요. 잘 모르겠어요. Please explain it one more time. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. Thank you for helping me. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Now that you've learned the basic vocabulary and expressions, let's take a closer look at how they're naturally used throughout a person's first day at work. So far, you've learned many of these expressions in the polite yo form, which is a useful place for beginners to start. In Korean workplaces, however, you'll also hear the more formal 씁니다 style, especially during introductions or when speaking with supervisors, managers, clients, or people you have just met. As we go through each situation, you'll hear both styles used naturally. Your first day begins when you arrive at your new workplace. The verb 출근하다 means to go to work or to report for work. For example, 오늘 처음 출근해요. It's my first day at work today. 오늘부터 출근해요. I'm starting work today. You may also hear coworkers ask, 오늘 처음 출근하셨어요? Is this your first day at work? Here, the respectful form, 출근하셨어요, is used because the coworker is speaking politely to someone they have just met. After arriving, one of the first things you'll do is greet your new coworkers. The verb 인사하다 means to greet someone. For example, a manager may say, 먼저 동료들에게 인사해요. First, say hello to your coworkers. Or, 먼저 팀원들에게 인사하세요. First, introduce yourself to your teammates. When greeting everyone, you can say 안녕하세요. Hello. 오늘부터 잘 부탁드립니다. I look forward to working with you starting today. One of the most important expressions in this lesson is 잘 부탁드립니다. Literally, it means something like, please take good care of me. However, Koreans don't normally use it to ask for special treatment. Instead, it expresses respect and the hope that everyone will have a positive working relationship. Depending on the situation, it can be translated as, I look forward to working with you. I hope we'll work well together. Thank you in advance for your help. You'll hear this expression when joining a company, meeting a new team, starting a project, or working with someone for the first time. Coworkers may reply, 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. 잘 부탁드려요. I look forward to working with you. After greeting everyone, you'll usually introduce yourself. The verb 소개하다 means to introduce. In everyday Korean, you'll also often hear the noun 자기소개, which means self-introduction. When a manager says, 간단히 자기소개해주세요, please briefly introduce yourself, you might respond, 안녕하세요. 알렉스입니다. Hello, I'm Alex. 오늘부터 함께 일하게 되었습니다. I'll be working with you starting today. 잘 부탁드립니다. I look forward to working with you. In a formal workplace introduction, 알렉스예요 may sound too casual. 알렉스입니다 is more appropriate when meeting coworkers for the first time. Once you've met everyone, a coworker or manager will usually explain your work, workplace routines, or company systems. The verb 설명하다 means to explain. A coworker may say, 업무를 설명해 드릴게요. I'll explain the work to you. 오늘은 회사 시스템부터 설명해 드릴게요. Today, I'll start by explaining the company system. Here, 설명해 드릴게요 means I'll explain it for you. The expression 어드리다 is used when doing something for another person in a polite or respectful way. When you don't understand something, you can say 잘 모르겠어요 or 잘 모르겠습니다. I'm not sure. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. Please explain it one more time. You can also say 죄송하지만 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. I'm sorry, but could you please say that again? 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. Specifically asks the person to explain something again, while 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요 asks them to repeat what they said. On your first day, you won't be expected to know everything immediately. You'll usually begin by learning basic responsibilities and workplace systems. The verb 배우다 means to learn. For example, 오늘부터 하나씩 배우겠습니다. Starting today, I'll learn them one by one. A coworker may say, 오늘은 기본적인 업무부터 배워볼게요. Today, we'll start by learning the basic tasks. 천천히 배우시면 돼요. You can learn little by little. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. In a Korean workplace, a coworker may reassure a new employee by saying, 처음이라 어려울 수 있어요. it can be difficult because you're new. 하나씩 배우시면 돼요. You can learn one thing at a time. During your first few days, coworkers will often help you learn where things are, how systems work, and what you're expected to do. The verb 도와주다 means to help someone. A coworker may say, 모르는 게 있으면 도와드릴게요. If there's something you don't know, I'll help you. 궁금한 게 있으면 언제든지 물어보세요. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime. After receiving help, you can say, 감사합니다. Thank you. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for helping me. 오늘 많이 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you very much for helping me today. Here, 도와주셔서 is the respectful form used when thanking someone for helping you. Great job learning how these verbs naturally appear throughout a person's first day at work. You arrive at work, greet your coworkers, introduce yourself, listen to explanations, begin learning your job, and receive help from the people around you. In Korean workplaces, first impressions are important. Greeting people politely, listening carefully, asking questions respectfully, and thanking others for their help can all contribute to a positive working relationship. Now, let's see how these expressions come together in one realistic first day at work conversation. Arriving at work. 안녕하세요. 오늘 처음 출근하셨어요? 네, 오늘 처음 출근했어요. 아, 그러시구나. 저는 지수예요. 안녕하세요. 저는 민준입니다. Greeting and introducing yourself. 민준 씨, 먼저 팀원들에게 인사하세요. 네. 안녕하세요. 민준입니다. 오늘부터 함께 일하게 되었습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. 반갑습니다. 잘 부탁드려요. 민준 씨, 간단히 자기소개해 주세요. 네. 저는 이번 주에 영업팀에 입사한 민준입니다. 아직 모르는 게 많지만 열심히 배우겠습니다. 잘 부탁드립니다. Learning about the workplace. 제가 사무실을 간단히 보여드릴게요. 여기가 영업팀 사무실이고 저쪽이 회의실이에요. 휴게실은 복도 끝에 있어요. 네, 감사합니다. Hearing an explanation. 이제 기본적인 업무를 설명해 드릴게요. 먼저 회사 시스템에 로그인해 주세요. 네, 그런데 비밀번호는 어디에 있어요? 임시 비밀번호가 이메일로 왔을 거예요. 죄송하지만 잘 모르겠어요. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. 괜찮아요. 제가 다시 설명해 드릴게요. Learning the job. 오늘은 회사 시스템 사용하는 방법부터 배워볼게요. 먼저 여기에서 고객 정보를 확인해요. 네, 오늘부터 하나씩 배울게요. 처음이라 어려울 수 있어요. 천천히 배우시면 돼요. Getting help. 혹시 모르는 게 있으면 질문해도 돼요? 그럼요. 모르는 게 있으면 언제든지 도와드릴게요. 감사합니다. Going to lunch. 이제 점심시간인데 같이 점심 먹으러 갈까요? 네, 좋아요. 회사 근처에 맛있는 식당이 있어요. 좋아요. 같이 가요. At the end of the day. 오늘 업무도 설명해 주시고 많이 도와주셔서 감사합니다. 별 말씀을요. 첫날이라 많이 피곤하시죠? 조금 피곤하지만 많이 배웠어요. 내일도 하나씩 천천히 배우시면 돼요. 네, 내일도 잘 부탁드립니다. Great! Now it's your turn. Let's review with some questions. 오늘 처음 출근해요. 제 소개를 하겠습니다. 안녕하세요. 잘 부탁드립니다. 다시 한번 설명해 주세요. 도와주셔서 감사합니다. Awesome job today! You learned some of the most common expressions people use on their first day at a new job. You learned how to talk about arriving at work with 출근하다, greeting your coworkers with 인사하다, introducing yourself with 소개하다, listening to workplace explanations with 설명하다, learning your new responsibilities with 배우다, and receiving help with 도와주다. These are expressions you'll often hear when someone begins working at a new company. Have a great day at work! If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Come hang out in Korean again soon, and I'll see you in the next lesson.